Zensation Meditation. Like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for every new post.
Sit comfortably upright on a chair, feet on the floor, hands resting on your thighs. Take 2 or 3 deep breaths, then close your eyes. Starting from the top of the head and moving down, mentally scan your body, noticing any tension in your muscles, places of comfort or discomfort, the feel of the floor beneath your feet. Begin to pay attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. As you become more aware of your breath, follow the rising and falling sensation without changing it in any way, silently counting breaths. Take a few seconds to allow your mind to do whatever it wants. You may find your mind is very quiet. Noticing the sounds around you and bringing your attention back to the body, gently open your eyes.